Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, let me to introduce myself. My name is Siti Mariam Suryani. I am a grade student in Majalengka University at fourth semester teaching educational factory English program. Here uh, I wanna describe my presentation. The title is Improving Student Listening Ability Through Movie. My presentation related to my course technology enhanced language learning. Here I wanna describe about my article that I have read. The title is Improving Students' Listening Ability Through Movie. Introduction, Literature Review. By watching movie, the students are introduced the real context of language. Second, a wide range of vocabulary that cannot get in learning in the classroom. And the third, listen to correct pronunciation, stress, intonation, expression. And the fourth, learn with native speakers. Yes, those are true. Watching movie is the real context of language because in movie there are many conversation, and the situation is like in the reality, so the student can get many lesson for the movie, such as many expression and from native speaker, stress word, intonation, and pronunciation. Of course, vocabulary. So many vocabulary for the students or the learners will get by will be get by watching movie. The methodology of this research is using qualitative data. The students are asked to watch the movie out of the class. It means in their own homes, not in the classroom. And then the student be assigned to do something related to the movie. After that, report the movie by presenting in the classroom. So while the student watching movie, they have to take a note, such as vocabulary, unfamiliar vocabulary, accent, expression, and also the synopsis of the movie. And each student must presenting in front of class. Discussion. What is listening skill? Its ability to identify and understand what people are saying. Of course, is it clear? Listening skill is an ability to identify and understand what people are saying. It means the sound. The process of listening. There are three stages. According to Underwood, 19 and 89. First, the sound into echoic memory for a very short time to be organized into meaningful units according to the knowledge of the language the listener already has. The second, the information is then processed by the short-time memory in a matter of seconds. Words are checked and compared with information already had in the long-term memory and meaning is extracted. And the third, the last, the meaning extracted is stored in the long-term memory for later use. Those are the process of listening according to Underwood. So easy to memorize them, right? And then learn a problem in listening. According to Underwood, 1989. First, lack of control over the speed at which speakers speak. The speaker who be who be listened by us so quick, and the listener cannot catch the whole vocabulary or all vocabularies, so sometimes the listener can misunderstanding. And then not repetition, just once the movie or the speaker just once, there is not repetition. And then the problem is the listener's limited vocabulary. Of course, here the big matter, I think. So we have to remember a lot of vocabulary, and we know what the meaning. And then failure to recognize the signal. And then problem to interpretation. And then inability to concentrate. And then established learning habits. Next slide. Watching movie in listening class. According to Galasher, a good idea is to choose scenes that are very visual. Movies allow students to access to more information in listening. That is, the learners can listen and see what is happening at the same time. Potosi undated. How to select movies and what consider according Chan 2010. First, an ambiguous action and a close connection between speech and action. 2. Queer conventional storylines with simple story plot lines. Third, only one character speaking at a time. Fourth, elements that slow the diction or dialogue with a child or a non-native speaker. Here, advantages of watching movies in listening class, according to Chan 2010. First, it facilitates comprehension activities that are perceived as real. Second, it creates curiosity gap that facilitates the exchange of opinions and ideas about the film. Third, it helps to explore nonverbal elements, of course, such as uh, gesture, facial expression, dress, clothing, and appearance, and so on, so on. We can look those uh, those elements or many kinds of nonverbal communication by watching television. Sorry, by watching movies. Fourth, it improves oral and oral skills. And the last, it provides meaningful context and vocabulary, exposing viewers to natural expressions and natural flow of speech. The conclusion of this article or the research: learning English skill sorry learning English listening skill through movie can be done everywhere and every time. Students learn many vocabularies, expression, pronunciation because they learn from native English. This way also can improve speaking English and confidence while they are presenting the movie report in the class. So the student must know well the movie. Of course, the mm, the learning English listening skill through movie is easy to be done because we can download from YouTube or something like that, and we can try first time without subtitle I mean, and then the second time using subtitle, and we can check what how many vocabularies we can catch without subtitle, and how many expression from native speakers, and so on. I mean, can we get the point of the movie we that we have been watched by us? Here my comment of this my comment of this research of or article. This research is good for improving the listening skill because almost all people like movie and learning through web, and learning through favorite something can be done often without force. The media in this research or movie can be found easily. Fine, clear. This research is very good, and using movie as media in improving listening skill is a good idea because we can find easily the movie and not too expensive. Just use our data. I think that's all for me. Thanks for your attention. and see ya later.